purpose-built courtyard in an ambient surrounding of relaxation. A place to take comfort, relax and enjoy the nature's beauty, all of which is part of the holistic healing process. Groups have attended the inauguration. Mr. Jitubai, a close advocate of an ambassador of the Valan Hospital, is guiding the group tour of the hospital. A highly trained medical team consisting of doctors, consultants and nurses, providing patients with generic health check and specialist eye cataract operations. The result of this day were overwhelming. All patients attending benefited from generic healthcare and blood pressure checks, with revelations of medical symptoms and diagnoses unbeknown to them due to historic lack of access. The registration process creates individual records of the patients, data capturing to provide a consistent healthcare plan for the future. "524 patients visited the camp, of which 75 were referred to outpatient surgery for cataract sponsored by Northwest Trust UK. Predominant feature was diabetes. 50% of the patients were diagnosed with diabetes and very high blood pressure. In excess of 100 patients were diagnosed with impaired vision. Dispensed spectacles free of charge with the help of the sponsors Project Care USA. The queues go into the late afternoon, with patients accessing the campsites and services which would not have been financially possible. Patients arrived from over 30 kilometers. These patients are benefiting from our medical team offering blood pressure checks. I mentioned to Dr. Jignesh Parekh, an eye specialist from Ahmedabad, supporting the hospital in true spirit. Patients are eagerly waiting for the checkups which are deemed to be a necessity. However, a luxury one cannot afford prior to today. We would like to thank you for your interest in supporting the work of Valan Hospital. This year we aim to alleviate the needs of our fellow brothers and sisters within the region. May Allah give us the ability to maximize our efforts in helping those less vulnerable than ourselves. It gives us the chance to ponder and be grateful for what Allah the Almighty has bestowed upon us. Receiving instant healthcare within close proximity. Amongst all the activities we carry out on a daily basis, let us take time out to show our gratitude to Allah and appreciate what we have been given. Inshallah, money spent in the right manner always returns to use in multitudes. Bear in mind, it's our donations that will one day help to donate lives. Let us make this difference together. Show our commitments and allow others to have the basic health care they require.